Next question from Mohammad from Dubai. Can I pray Isha at 2 a.m. due to difficult working hours? As far as the time for Isha is, it is after the time for Maghrib ends, approximately, depending upon different countries, approximately 1.5 hours after sunset. It starts and is up to Nisful Layl, that is up to midnight. This is the time between which you should offer Salah. You cannot offer Isha or any prayer before time or after the time expires. So offering Isha after Nisful Layl, that is midnight, is prohibited. Since you are staying in Dubai, now I believe the Maghrib time in Dubai would be close to 7 p.m. And the sunrise is at 5:50 a.m. in the morning. So if you calculate from 7 p.m. when the sun sets up to 5:50 sunrise, it's approximately 10 hours 50 minutes. So the Nisful Layl, the midnight, would be 5 hours 25 minutes after sunset, which is 12:25 a.m. So in Dubai, you can offer Isha Salah approximately 1.5 hours after sunset, that is from 8:30 up to 12:25 midnight Nisful Layl. You want to offer at 2 a.m. in the morning, it's not permissible. And as far as Isha is concerned, the Prophet said, the more you delay before you sleep, it is preferable. But before Nisful Layl. So if you are living in Dubai, you can offer your Salah anytime between 8:30 p.m. up to 12:25 a.m. You cannot offer after that or before that. You are saying that you are working and you're doing a job, and because you're busy, it's difficult to pray Isha on time. This is not accepted at all. And since you're living in Dubai, in UAE, which is a Muslim country, it is not possible that anyone can prevent you from offering Isha Salah on time. Irrespective whether you're working in a Muslim company or non-Muslim company, you can always request them to give you a few minutes to offer your Isha Salah. It is preferable you offer in Jamaat, go to the mosque, and there are many mosques in Dubai. Take a short break of few minutes. No one can prevent you. If someone prevents you, go and complain to the authorities of Dubai. I'm sure, inshallah, they will reprimand your company. No one can tell you that work is compulsory and can prevent you from offering Salah, especially in a Muslim country. Especially in the country where majority are Muslims, especially in the Gulf country. In Dubai, I've been several times to Dubai, I've spent several years in Dubai. You may be feeling shy, very well go and tell your boss, whichever company you're working in, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, and tell him I want to offer Isha Salah in the mosque. He can never prevent you. If he prevents you, go and complain to the authorities of Dubai. Inshallah, they will put the person in the place.